From one crown to the next crown, we are show respect and honors. Mighty Crown. I, Johnny Handsome, and Team Turbo Crown say salute the item. I listen to the interview and, I said enough sound would even mention it. But when I had clean, as a man, I say as a Japanese, when I had clean, I see the item do them thing, go through all of a fight, all of a clash take a frown and only do nothing and regain musical consciousness and kill a whole heap of sound, like I do. You understand what I mean? So big up on retirement, and as when me hear they said at the interview, say boy, only met the name Mighty Crown. When you usually listen to one bad sound named Turbo Crown from Spanish Town pan cassette. And I said, boy, you what? My Turbo Crown, your name was sound. Mighty Crown. Big up my brother. Same way. You're black man, you're Japanese, you're brother, same way. Big up on yourself. And as I say upon retirement, salute. Let's hope the next one can pick up the button and continue. I don't know what kind of crown them are going to name, but it's only one Turbo Crown and one Mighty Crown. Salute. From one crown to the next.